Welcome back to our channel, The Diabetic Way. Today we're tackling a topic that's absolutely essential for anyone dealing with diabetes: mastering portion control. Whether you're living with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, portion control is a fundamental skill that can make a significant impact on managing your blood sugar levels. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Understanding portion control. The first step in mastering portion control is understanding what it really means. It's not about depriving yourself or skipping meals. It's about making smart choices and being mindful of how much you eat. Portion control helps you keep your calorie intake in check and prevents those blood sugar spikes that can be troublesome for diabetics. Segment 2. The importance of balance. Balance is key, especially for diabetics. Aim to fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or peppers. Then 1/4 of your plate can be lean protein such as grilled chicken or fish. The remaining quarter is for whole grains or starchy vegetables like brown rice or sweet potatoes. Segment 3. Reading food labels. When it comes to portion control, reading food labels is your superpower. Look for serving size information and pay attention to the total carbohydrates. This helps you manage your carb intake, which directly affects your blood sugar. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Segment 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is a game changer. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. It's easy to overeat when you're distracted, so put away the screens and focus on enjoying your meal. Segment 5. Creating a diabetes-friendly meal plan. To truly master portion control, it's essential to create a meal plan that works for you. Consult with a registered dietitian or nutritionist who can help you design a balanced and diabetes-friendly eating plan. This personalized approach takes into account your preferences, lifestyle, and diabetes management goals. There you have it, the key to mastering portion control for diabetes. Remember, it's a journey, and every step you take towards better portion control is a step towards better diabetes management. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-related content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.